For too long, trucking companies have relied on disjointed systems and manual processes that undermine efficiency and hinder growth. With high upfront investments, heavy operating costs, and complex contracts, these systems have exploited hundreds of companies by extorting millions of dollars in exchange for a technology that offers little to no value. But that's how it's supposed to be, right? Well, not anymore. LoadStop TMS is disrupting the status quo by taking your entire fleet operations to the cloud. Imagine your entire fleet operations consolidated in a single platform that is designed to increase efficiency and encourage sustainable business practices. LoadStop's Cloud TMS is home to your entire trucking operations and can be accessed from anywhere. The workflows are designed to your needs. Users can accomplish the most meticulous tasks in just a few clicks. And the speed and the flexibility of the cloud make it possible to integrate third-party applications, allowing you to manage fleets of hundreds of trucks, end-to-end, with just one tool. By leveraging AI technology, processes are autonomous, saving you time, money, and effort. Intelligent solutions create efficiency. Real-time visibility into the fleets and operations minimizes risks. Constant improvements make the TMS experience enjoyable. BI technology helps you make wise business decisions and stay ahead of the curve. Moreover, transparent contracts and flexible pricing allow you to get started with just a small sum of money. We are LoadStop, a TMS for trucking companies to thrive and grow like never before.